Bitcoin new all-time high, 81,500 US dollar. What is now next for Bitcoin? That's the biggest question I am gonna answer in this video, guys. Bam! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys, wherever you are in this beautiful world, whenever you're watching this video. Welcome to the Bitcoin family channel. For the newcomers, my name is Didi, walking and talking on the beach here in Phuket about Bitcoin, blockchain and life, guys. First of all, we're talking about the news, then we will dive into the charts, and we have a beautiful highest weekly close ever seen before in Bitcoin, and of course ending it with an inspirational quote, short but powerful video about everything you need to know in Bitcoin today. Bam! The news for today, guys. If we look at the top 20 exchanges in our industry, the cumulative growth of those exchanges in October has been 8%. So 8% more traffic, more revenue, more volume on all of these exchanges, guys. And we are talking about the top 20 exchanges, which is really important because that means the interest for Bitcoin is growing again. That's why the volume is increasing on those top 20 exchanges. 8% is a huge amount if you calculate in billions of dollars. Now, we can see the same in all the Google results. Since Bitcoin has going up to like 75, 76, new all-time high, 80K, we can see a huge increase in the Google search for Bitcoin as well. So again, this is the moment when retail starts to step in. They needed to wait for an all-time high. They needed to start believe again that Bitcoin would be able to go up again. And now they saw, new all-time high, let's search for Bitcoin again. And that is how people get drawn again into the Bitcoin price at a too high level. If they would have trusted me and watched my videos, they would have bought Bitcoin at 16K. That was the bear market bottom. For all those people that did trust me and did believe me, their capital now grew x5, 5 times more. 16 times 5 is 80K, guys. And I'm gonna play the same game again in the next bear market. There's gonna be in 2026-27. But first we're gonna enjoy this really bullish bull market in the next 12 months. These next 12 months are gonna be even bullisher as what you see now. And I know you all don't believe it. I know you all think that the top will be in 2024. I am here and I will tell you again, there will be a beautiful top in 2024. 2 weeks or a week before Christmas, I guess, we get like to 90K maybe even. And then in January, February, probably we will see a dip again. And then from March up to September in 2025, that is when we see the real all-time high. That is when we see green candles of like 10K or more some days. That is what I believe. I really don't see a top happening in 2024. For me, the target is 17 months after the halving. And that's bringing us to 2025 September-ish. So that was the news for today. There is a second news item, guys. I also want to talk about, I think, the founder of Bitfork called Roman Steranov or something like that. Roman, I think that is his first name. He got arrested and he has been sentenced to jail for 12.5 years. And he needs to pay a fine of 395 million US dollar. And why? Bitfork was a coin mixer. Bitfork was one of those services that you could use to make your Bitcoins, Ethereum, or any other currency disappear. And the founder of that one now has been sentenced to jail for 12.5 years and a big fine of $395 million. That is why we see less and less coin mixers. Because coin mixers help you with making your Bitcoin disappear. You send your Bitcoins to a coin mixer, they will be mixed all kinds of signs and other coins, and they will be turned back into Bitcoin, into your new wallet that nobody knows is yours. And that is an illegal thing to do, they say, so that's why Roman went to jail now for 12.5 years. I really don't like that because normally you should be able to do it, because if I have cash money, like cash from the bank, and I use it in the store, and I use it in another store, and I use it again in another store, it's also completely private. Nobody knows that the cash is still in my pocket. So why is this illegal with Bitcoin? Why am I not allowed to just exchange my Bitcoin or mix my Bitcoin on a coin mixer for privacy reasons? Maybe I would like to do it because I don't feel safe with all those Bitcoins that people know or can trace those Bitcoins to me. Maybe I want to have a little bit more privacy. Maybe I use it for that. Maybe I don't use it like to fool the tax company or whatever they think they are doing. It could also be for privacy reasons, safety reasons. So there are still a couple of coin mixers. If you go and join the Didi Bam Bam VIP family, you will find some cool links over there, guys, the Telegram group, to coin mixers that are still up and running. But that was the second news item. Don't start a coin mixer business because you could end up in jail in the United States. Now, let's jump now into the charts to see what Bitcoin has done this weekend and what we are expecting for the next couple of days, guys. The first chart for today, guys, of course, the 4-hour chart. Amazing 4-hour chart. Look at all those green candles. Amazing to see so many green candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green candles in a row. Beautiful buy signal again by the Didi Bam Bam setup. If you would have taken that trade, of course, shitload of profit, but probably you would already be in the trade since over there. This sign over there where we had all those green circles in line, that was the ultimate entry now. We are taking profits? Nah, I don't think so. A lot of people do want to take profit because they feel unsafe. 81k. I think 84k should easily be reachable. But let's take a look at some more charts to see where we could end up in the whole, like all the way till Christmas. Like give it another month, 12 days, 2 weeks before Christmas. I think that would be the target for taking some profits that the market would be topping out. If we zoom out to the weekly chart, we can see that this was the highest weekly close ever in Bitcoin. Yes, the highest weekly close ever in Bitcoin. That candle opened at 68,738. It closed at 80,400 and the high was 81,482. Beautiful green candle. And yes, just like expected, if you look at this chart, I drew this chart already weeks to months ago. You all can check it. Just watch those videos. I told you higher high, higher low, all that. Then I told you, hey, look at that pattern. The target of this pattern is that blue dotted line ending up around 85k, exactly where I put that higher high, and look where we are at the moment. We broke out and we are hitting all those levels, guys. It won't take long that we hit 85k. That will be the target to take a little bit of profit if you don't believe that Bitcoin will go higher than 100k next year. Just keep an eye on the RSI. We are now hitting that top line around 70. Look, the RSI can even go to levels of 88. So there's a lot of there's a lot of room yet left for going higher. Also here, the MACD beautifully turning green, beautifully going up. I can't be more bullish than at the moment. Let's take a look at the monthly chart. Look, that amazing monthly chart. I gave access to the most VIPs. I told you guys this is what I think. These empty areas is all the way to 2036, guys. We are now here in 2024. I told you we will reach a top 17 months after the halving. I told you that would be September, October, November, Q4 2025. That's still the moment I believe the top will be in. That doesn't mean we can't go higher till this year in 2024. But the ultimate top, we still have a lot of room left. It's gonna be in the end of 2005, somewhere around this area, guys. So yes, that is where we hit probably 120 to 160k. And if we believe other influencers, we could even go to 300 to 500k, guys. From that moment, I predict we will have a 12-month bear market all the way in 2026, almost January 2027, go a little bit sideways and then start to build up again to that next halving in 2028. Here at that bear market bottom, so we will go up like this, then we will come down like this, something like to that level. I don't know which level it is now. Now that's too low, Didi. Wait, I need to do it correct. We will go up to these levels, 160 in my opinion, maybe even touch 200 if you're really bullish, then come down with a crash of 60-70% to above 60k over there. You know, you get that the whole 2026 7-ish sideways, and then we start to build up again, go to that halving, and then again from that halving we do the same move, correction, go up to a new top again, and then the top would be around 600-700k, and then again come down. That is how we will move the next couple of years, in my opinion. So we are now at an amazing moment, still a beautiful buying opportunity to still double your capital, take the profits, buy back in the next bear market bottom, guys. That's how simple I think the movement in Bitcoin will take place. Now, then I have another chart, which is not a chart, but this is my VIP Didi Bam Bam group. If you want to become a VIP, you will get a lot of benefits, guys. We have a lot of exclusive benefits for VIP members. We have the VIP Telegram group where you can chat with same-minded people, but I'm there as well with the team every day to post the newest news, to post the newest Bitcoin prices. There's even AI integrated, so you can ask all the charts that you want just by pasting, for example, a contract address on any meme coin of whatever it is, just paste it, bam, you get it analyzed over there. We have the VIP signals group where we will get signals every day. They are opening up today. Learn crypto, because we have a learning platform with more than 180 courses from the beginning, the ultimate beginning. What is crypto? What is Bitcoin? All the way up to trading. We have, of course, a Telegram mini app that's almost finished and will go live and will show you even that you can be incentivized for helping the Didi Bam Bam group grow. Then we have, of course, voting tools, live AMA sessions. There will be a token going live on the 21st November. And yes, that token you will be able to buy on, of course, Uniswap, but you will also be able to earn that token if you use that Telegram mini app. Of course, we are supporting global adoption in Bitcoin, but also charity projects. We will probably do OTC deals in the future, which I can't tell more about. There is going to be a podcast. We are also going to talk about nomad lifestyles, homeschooling, tax education, certified Didi Bam Bam experts. Those people will come and speak for the group, remote jobs. We're going to do as much as possible for the community. Yes, the bamping is a kind of camping. We want to, at the end, even create a campsite somewhere with really cool blockchain luxury like campers, how do you call them? Like these Volfreda, beautiful thing where people can live together and discuss together, where we can do a lot of cool meetups, etc., etc. All of this is in the planning, guys, if you become a VIP today. Go to didibambam.me to get more information, or just join the Telegram group and the team will be there to give you all the answers. Now, let's jump into some more amazing charts, guys, over here. Bam, this is the first one. This chart is showing you when to take profits. If you look on the monthly chart of Bitcoin, monthly chart, we can see we have a diminishing red line for the RSI. We can see the RSI top became a little bit lower every time. When we hit that line with the Bitcoin RSI on the monthly chart, so that will take another 12 months, believe me, before we hit that. But if we hit it, that is the moment the price will be topping out. That is the moment you need to take some profits. We are not going to break this RSI and make it higher. We're going to bounce downward from there again. And that's the moment you should be taking profit on the monthly chart. It takes another 12 months for us to see us touching that line, in my opinion. Now, then we have this chart. This one is the Bitcoin power law. We have been down below that power law now for some time, and now we are working our asses up to above that power law, and that's exactly what we need, because you can see in the previous bull market, we went high above that power law. The 2017-18, which looks like a blip at the moment, we went high above that power law. Now we are hitting that power law. You can see here, this is that line. We are hitting that line. We will, from this moment on, I think, go above that power law, above that line. And that will make the price go above this red line and the projection dotted red line. This is the 100K level. We could easily reach that. Can we go to the 150K level over there? Yes. I believe 150 to 160 will be the top before we go back again down below this line. Amazing chart, the Bitcoin power law. If you want to have more information, join the VIPs or Google Bitcoin power law. Now, then we have the days in between alts. Always a very interesting perspective to see where we are at the moment. Put my face over there again. Look, during the bull markets, you can always see there's a lot of new all-time highs created. Every time when there is a gray bar line, that's a new all-time high. You see a lot of them in 2017, 2013-14, over there 2010 till 11. Here there was 2020-21, a lot of new all-time highs. Now, this was the first all-time high, you know. Still remember when we went a little bit higher a couple of months ago. This now is the second green line of a new all-time high. Maybe it's like 2 or 3 because now we are at 81 again. But it will soon look like this. A lot of greenish bars after each other, creating all-time high after all-time high after all-time high. That is what it's going to look like. That is why we will see a Bitcoin price above 100K, probably 160K in 2025, guys. Amazing to see the amount of days between all-time highs. Now, of course, we end this now, the charts, with Plan B's stock to flow model. At the moment, he is again right. He is again right. We did bottom out over there. We went up. Now again, we have this beautiful red area that we always have, always that same way. And now these dots are going to slowly increase and try to find that line. That line, to be clear, this is the 100K line, 200K line, 300K line, 400K line, 500K line. That's a $500,000 per Bitcoin line. Plan B is saying this line is the average from 2024 all the way to 2028, an average level for Bitcoin. So when you create an average, you need to go above it and you need to be below it to create this average. You need to be below it, you need to be above it to create this average. So yes, this is why they call it the average line. I believe we would only go to this line. That's me being very conservative. And I do believe in the future we will go higher than this and maybe even higher than here, all the way to 10 million in the far future. But I just want to see that we can first reach 160K. If we can reach that and then the market is still very bullish, okay, we could go above it. Just like we went above it there, a little bit above it over there, guys. Let's see. But till now, I just love this model. This model has helped a lot of people with getting trust in Bitcoin. Now, that were the charts for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the charts, guys. Yes, in the short term, there was a lot of volatility. We went all the way up to 81,500 US dollar. Yeah, it's amazing all-time high, guys. 81,500 US dollar for Bitcoin now. Can we go even to 84 or to 90? Yes, we can. As soon all people stop selling, we can explode even above 100K. But there is also people in this industry that do want to take profit already. They're like, X5 is enough for me. You know, they bought at 16K, you know, 5 times their capital. They're like, let me take some profit. And those people are selling, and that is creating selling pressure. And because of that selling pressure, Bitcoin could also not grow that fast. Because that's why, you know, if more people sell than buy, then Bitcoin is not growing in price. The moment more people start to buy than sell, that is again when the price will go up. That's just the working of the market, guys. So it's beautiful to see how that worked in the short term. I want you all for that. I told you at 58K, this is the last dip. Buy this dip. Because before you know it, I told you we will be at 70 or 80K. I told you this 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. And I know all of you thought, maybe we go to 40K. I told you we won't go to 40K. We will, before you know it, be at 70K again and maybe even 80 to 84K before December. Now, that is exactly where we are now. So next time, listen to me. Listen to me. You're not my wife. She is allowed not to listen to me. You should be listening to me. My wife and children, they never listen to me. Oh, to give some family news, this weekend we had a huge party at Maya, the opening, the DJ Evener. I had a lot of fun with my wife and my children. Yes, we drank a little bit much, maybe also other stuff, but it was really, really fun, guys. Maya, Club Maya Beach Club here in Phuket is just an amazing, cozy beach club. Not too big, but there's always good DJs, good sound, good food, good drinks, a lot of good vibes, good fun, guys. So the charts, long term, what do I expect? Of course, another bull run in 2025. That's the last part of the bull run. Now, just chill. Take your profits if you want to take profits. I do believe that if we reach 90K, 95K, there will be a pullback somewhere in January, February, March, and Q1 mostly. And then again, we build on all the way up into that new bull market top in 2025, guys. Amazing times ahead. Amazing times ahead, guys. By the way, guys, if you want to trade all of this, please use the links down below my video. My top 3 exchanges still is Bybit #1 with the biggest bonus all the way up to 30,000 US dollar if you deposit enough. Then we have the second exchange, that is Blowfin. That's a non-KYC exchange, so you don't need to verify yourself. Also beautiful bonus over there if you use our link to deposit there. And the third one is Apex Pro. Even there now a sign-up bonus up to 30,000 US dollar. That's a decentralized exchange. I've been using these 3 exchanges all by myself. I trust them fully. You don't even need to trust Apex because it's decentralized, but the DEBIT team I know, the Blowfin team I know, these exchanges have a lot of liquidity, and those exchanges with a lot of liquidity have the smallest chance of getting bankrupt and also scamming you or whatever. These are official exchanges, guys. So please use the links down below. If you like all the content that I create for you guys every day while walking the beach, you should be using those links to sign up to those exchanges, guys. And if you want to educate yourself a little bit more, we have this new VIP environment. It's called DidiBamBam.me. We just opened up the whole cool system with more than 180 basic courses, right from completely the start. Like, we start with a baby, then we go into a teenager, then we go into an adult phase, and we educate you everything about Bitcoin, blockchain, everything else that you need to know on this industry. Even today we're going to start with signals. So yes, we are going to have a signal group where we tell guys, hey, this is a beautiful token to buy at this moment because these are the support levels, these are the resistance levels. Also, we give signals for Bitcoin trades, etc, etc. Then we have a Telegram VIP group where you can chat with same-minded people, ask all kinds of questions to the team. And we also are designing a Telegram mini app that will soon launch, so you will be interactively earning some points, etc., for participating in all the games that we're offering over there. And last but not least, on the 21st of November, we are going to launch a community token, and that community token is just there to incentivize all the things that you do for the community, and of course it will have a value. But to be very clear, it's not going to be a pump and dump token. That's exactly not what we want. It's going to be a token that holds value because it's supported by a community that is supporting decentralized education and the DAO, where everyone gets decision rights, etc., on this growing platform. Now, let's jump now into the inspirational part. Turning around for the inspirational part, guys, the inspirational part for today is something that we all run into every day. And we know that it's true, but still we always just forget to do the opposite. That's just what it is. When you focus on problems, you will always get more problems. When you start to focus on possibilities, you will always get more opportunities. That's how it works in life. If you keep focusing on all your problems, you're just attracting more and more problems. Because you won't be solving the problems because of focusing on the problems. You should be focusing on all the possibilities and create new opportunities into your life by doing so. It's very simple, but we just get stuck in this negative spiral, and that spiral is sucking you down into this deep hole of more problems, of more darkness, of more not being positive about life, of more stress, of more uncomfortable situations that you really don't want to be in. So the only way to get out of this spiral, this sucking, blood-sucking, down-sucking spiral, the only way to get out of it is to start and focus on all the possibilities in life. And by focusing on all those possibilities, you start slowly to forget all those problems, and slowly all those opportunities will rise. And then the only thing that you need to do is have the power, have the courage to take that first step into those new opportunities. That's all. That's really all. When those opportunities appear because you focus on those possibilities, you still need to take that first step and just say, yes, let's do it. Fuck all my worries, fuck all my problems, fuck all the people around me that are always negative. This is an opportunity arising in my life, and I'm not gonna not do it out of fear, because my life can't be ruled by fear. My life is now gonna be ruled by me going for all those opportunities that just appear in my life. I think that is the only thing you need to do. The moment you start to focus on those possibilities, those opportunities will appear, and you just need to say yes. You just need to say yes, grab life by the balls, and go fully for it. That's the only thing. And then everything, all those worries will slowly disappear. You're worrying too much, you're thinking and focusing too much on problems, which will suck you only more down. You need to make sure you work your way up, guys. And that is just by focusing again on possibilities that will create opportunities. You will be saying yes, and you will be changing your life forever. That was the inspirational quote for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the inspirational part. If you did enjoy this video, like the news, the charts, and the inspirational part, then give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, leave a comment. What do you think about everything that we talked about? And I wish you an amazing week ahead. Again, congratulations with all the new all-time highs created in the weekend. Let's see if we can create some more bullish all-time highs now in this beautiful week. And I wish you an amazing Monday, guys, and an amazing week. And hopefully see you tomorrow again at another video here, probably walking on the beach on Phuket. Thank you for watching, and I see you tomorrow again. Bam.